Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes man, welcome back to Original Living. Yeah man, and you're here with NASA Links. And today, you see the thumbnail and the title, it's a next spearfishing morning this morning again, alright? And this morning, two of us, this time me and Kenado this time. Yeah man, yesterday me and Yards time, today me and Kenado. Yeah man, the rest of guys are busy. Two of us this morning, and we're back to one of our favorite locations this morning. And why we tend to stick at these spots, because the weather just coming down back, and the sea is flat though, but the visibility is ain't great, so we don't want to do a lot of traveling and then we go back up on some bad sea or anything, alright? So we just tend to stick close. Yeah man, so here's one of our regular spots. I always found good fish here, and this spot is where I speared the rainbow runner. I'm gonna link the video somewhere in one of the corner here. So yeah man, very nice video, alright? And as you guys can see now, the weather is great. The wind is a little high, but we no most can see much though, but hopefully we can see something, alright? And the area is great as well. So we're gonna start out things and get the thing on the road, alright? Yeah man, you're gonna sample the water, fingers are crossed, you can find some lovely fish, or find one lovely fish, alright? Stay tuned to the channel, don't go away, alright?
Meet NASA Links. He's a photographer, a wildlife adventurer, a grateful harvester of Mother Earth, and the legendary spearfisher. He explores the ocean where he encounters some of Jamaica's most vicious predators while he captures breathtaking underwater footages and forages for food in order to survive. He cooks up a storm and produces mouth-watering dishes that will make you lick your finger. Welcome to Original Living with NASA Links.
So as I enter in the water, saw this lovely squid. So I decided that I want this one. Speared it. This one is a nice one. This ink-like substance that he is giving off, it is used to deter predators. It is the only defense that the squid has. This is a flounder resting on the rock. So here I saw a few jacks, was lining up one. No good shot from any. So I started to make some random jabs because the water was murky, couldn't see the bottom from the top. Here I saw a lovely gun. It was running from me, took a shot, missed it. My spear got stuck in the rock. Here I have a little depth to it, so I have to head back to the top and wrap my spear gun on the chat line. I head back to retrieve the spear. This is our next random job. Kenado showed me a snapper right below me, so I head down. Before I got down, it headed off to the deep. Then I saw two jack. The jack saw me and ran as well. There Kenado was chasing a few quab.
Wait, have you touched that subscription button yet? Then what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.
So here I saw a couple horse-eye jack. So I took one. Spear got stuck in the rock with it and the spear. And same time while I was resetting my spear gun, a little barracuda swim up on me. So I have the jack and the spear with one of the rubber bands set, trying to spear it. It swam away, but I saw where it went. I got the jack off the spear, but I didn't get to re-wrap the shooting line. I saw it there trying to hide me, so I made the jump on it. It camouflaged, so it's hard to see. Took the shot, hit it right in the head. The spear got stuck with it and the spear. This one is a nice one. So here I saw a chub was trying to sneak up on it, but it was staying wide of me. Just spear this jack, a little pint nose jack. The spear went through a sea cucumber as well. So here I saw a jack, nice one. Speared it, but the shooting line tangled on the rubber band, so the spear didn't penetrate the fish. So I saw where it went, so I resurfaced, got some breath and head down back. When I got down, I saw it up underneath the rock. But it saw me and head further up in the rock. And next attempt, it came back to the mouth of the hole, but when it saw me, it turned back. But when I looked, I saw that there's a next entrance around the back. So I went to that side. When I got down, I saw the jack swimming in a circle. So I speared it, and this time it was good. This one is a nice one. So after I string up the jack, I head up the sea and I came across a lovely barracuda on the bottom. saw me and swim off. Could not get in close to it, so I just took a long shot, but the spear fell short. So now I'm scouting this area to see if anything would swim up. That's a lovely red belly. Didn't get that one. So we have been in the water for quite some time. So I decided that this was my last drop. When I got down, I saw nothing. There were no good sized fish in this area, only small ones. So I head up. And on my way to the surface, I saw these two jacks. Took a shot after one, but didn't hit it. So that's it for this dive.
Yes guys, so we come out of the water now, the boat of us, and the water is still okay. The wind is a little high now, higher than this morning. And the visibility this morning in the water wasn't that great, but up in the dive, we start to realize that the water start to get a little cleaner. So I guess it will come down. So a few days or so from now it's gonna be better. But nevertheless, we caught a few fish. Yeah, man. So see the catcher. We find a barracuda and 3 jacks and a squid. Lovely catch, man. Very lovely catch. So yeah, man, we give thanks to this catch, you know. Yeah, man. So what I go on now, I go and clean them up and we hit the road when we finish. Alright, so stay tuned to the channel. So I hit that, you know, clean up the catcher. So going home now, going to do a cook up on the end, some rice and peas and barracuda for dinner today. So stay tuned to the channel, alright? I will cook up this up. Man, this is going in the pot today, so stay tuned, I'm going away.
show me now, you know. See the fish them, yeah man, I'm gonna rest with them in the fridge. Nice jack and the other 2 jack them in the fridge and the squid. I'm gonna cut up a barra, you know. Yeah man, the barra get cooked today, you know. Well, probably half time still because I will eat this. I'll cut him up, you know. Get him ready for the pot. Rice and peas, you know. A long time, you know, steam some fish or do some different style of fish, you know, man. But through from what I'm gonna see a big jack and some I find. The only thing we mainly can do with them there are fry them. Because jack, I think nobody steam jack and a good fish with steam. I said that already. The barracuda same and a good fish with steam. So you might fry fish them. Yeah man, so you know, you can brown stew too, you know. Yeah man, barracuda can brown stew too. Yeah man, so I get everything ready you know. Start cut up the barra. Okay, so finish cut them up now, and this is what I got out of it. Out of the barracuda, we have 6 slices there, 7, 8, plus the head. Man, it's a little head, you know, because it's not a large barracuda. So yeah, when I cook up a few slices of this, yeah man, and bag up the rest as I said from before, you know. These are the slices that we're going to use. There are 5 slices here, and the idea is we're gonna do some escovitch, however they pronounce it. Yeah man, with these 5 slices, alright. So here you have the oil, and you know the style already. Whenever the oil ready, the pepper either get black. You understand? It start get black already there. So you know so there's soon time for the fish then. Whoa, so some gravy I make you see, you know. This is the escovitch, you know. This is the sauce for it, the escovitch. Yes guys, so this is it now. Yeah man, this is the final thing, you know. Nothing special. Yeah man, but this is dinner. Some escovitch fish, barracuda, with some rice and peas, you know. Yeah man, looking very good. Very, very good, guys. Yes man, so you don't know anything going on, people. Like up the video, them share up the video with them, with your families and friends, alright? You know anything, but subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video, alright? Yeah man, so NASA links are check out, you know, in the next one.